Abdomen sign and symptoms. Epigastric pain. Number 2. Stomach fire. Burning epigastric pain, intense thirst with desire to drink, cold liquids, mental restlessness, dry mouth, mouth ulcers, bleeding gums, dry stools, sour regurgitation, foul breath, nausea, vomiting soon after eating, feeling of heat, sour regurgitation, tongue red with a thick dark yellow coating, deep full rapid pulse. Cold dampness in the stomach. Epigastric pain that is aggravated by drinking cold liquids and ameliorated by drinking warm liquids. Poor appetite, feeling of fullness of the epigastrium, feeling of cold in the epigastrium, feeling of heaviness of the head and body, sweetest taste or absence of taste, no thirst, loose stool, tiredness, lassitude, nausea, edema, dull white complexion, excessive white vaginal discharge, pale tongue with sticky white coating, slippery, slow pulse. Blood stasis in the stomach. Severe stabbing epigastric pain that may be worse at night, dislike of pressure, nausea, vomiting, possible vomiting of blood, vomiting of food looking like coffee grounds, purple tongue, and wiry pulse. Phlegm heat in the stomach. Burning epigastric pain, thirst without a desire to drink, mental restlessness, bleeding gums, dry stool, dry mouth, mouth ulcers, sour regurgitation, nausea, vomiting soon after eating, excessive hunger, foul breath, a feeling of heat, a feeling of oppression of the chest and epigastrium, insomnia, tongue red in the center with a sticky yellow coating, and a stomach crack with a rough sticky yellow coating inside it. Slippery rapid pulse. Retention of food. Epigastric pain, distension, and fullness that are relieved by vomiting, nausea, vomiting of sour fluids, foul breath, sour regurgitation, belching, insomnia, loose stools, or constipation. Poor appetite, thick tongue coating, and full slippery pulse. Liver fire invading the stomach. Burning epigastric pain, distension and fullness, irritability, sour regurgitation, hiccup, belching, nausea, vomiting, sighing, weak limbs, tongue red on the side, pulse wiry, rapid, and weak on the right. Phlegm fluids in the stomach. Dull epigastric pain, abdominal fullness and distension, nausea, vomiting of watery fluids, dry mouth without desire to drink, shortness of breath, dizziness, feeling of oppression of the chest, swelling of the limbs, expectoration of thin watery sputum, inability to lie down, swollen tongue with a sticky coating, and deep wiry or deep slippery pulse. Clinical note. Liver chi invading the stomach is probably the most common cause of epigastric pain. Thank you for your attention.